Hello, my dear students. How are you? I think you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also too well. I am Ch-8.1 Kajol, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. A long time we are affected by COVID-19. If we love our country, if we love himself, so we should stay at home and safe. Today I discuss about higher mathematics chapter 8.1. Let's go start our study. In xy plan, first we draw xy, x prime and y prime. There are two x-axes. Okay. X prime x-axis and y-axis. Okay, we see that there are four parts. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. This part is known as quadrant. So we said that this is first part is known as first quadrant, and second part is known as second quadrant, and third part is known as a third quadrant. Fourth part is known as fourth quadrant. Okay. This is 0, 90 degree, 1, 80 degree, 270 degree, that means 360 degree. Again we write 90 degree, that means pi by 2, 180 degree, that means only pi, 270 degree, that means we denote it 3 pi by 2, and 360 degree. So you can write 2 pi. It's clear? Okay. In first quadrant, if we consider angle theta, where theta is acute angle. If we consider theta, where theta is acute angle. Okay. So this is 90 degree. This is 90, 90, 90. So it produces 360 degree angles. Okay. So we can write in first quadrant 90 degree minus theta, where theta is acute angle. So 0 to 90. Okay. Again we see that in second quadrant 180 degree minus theta. 180 degree minus theta. So this moving 180 degree minus theta, and in second quadrant 270 degree minus theta. In fourth quadrant we can write 360 degree minus theta. Okay. Now we consider 90 degree plus theta. So it passing through first quadrant to in second quadrant. So this is 90 degree plus theta, 270 degree minus theta, and 180 degree plus theta when, so it passing through in second quadrant 180 degree plus theta. So in fourth quadrant 270 degree plus theta, and when 360 degree plus theta, so it passing through in first quadrant, so 360 degree plus theta. So we see that in first quadrant 90 degree less than or 360 degree plus theta. In second quadrant we see that 180 degree minus theta and 90 degree plus theta. In third quadrant we see that 270 degree minus theta and 180 degree plus theta. In fourth quadrant we see that 360 degree minus theta and 270 degree plus theta. Okay. Given angle such as 360 degree. So this is a positive angle. Okay, this positive angle it rotated to anti-clockwise. So positive angle rotated to anti-clockwise. When we get negative angle such as 270 degree, so it move or rotated clockwise. Okay, that means positive angle rotated to anti-clockwise and negative angle rotated to, that is moving clockwise. Okay, now we solve some mathematical term. This is clear. My dear student, take your hand book and open your book page 160. Page 160. Okay, now we see that example 1. Example 1. In example 1, number 1, in which quadrant do the angle 430 degree? 430 degree. In which quadrant? So we calculate for this angle which quadrant. So first we convert given angle n into 90 degree plus minus theta. First we convert given angle n into 90 degree plus minus theta. Okay, so 430 degree we can write 430 divided 90. So we get 4.77. So we can write 4 into 90 degree plus 4 into 90 degree. That means 360 degree. So we need 70 degree. So 490 degree plus 70 degree makes 430 degree. Okay. Now we see that where is stay at in quadrant. First we draw, this is quadrant. Okay. Starting point x is positive. This is starting point. Okay. So n, what is the value of n? 4. So it moved 4 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. It's moving 4 times. But you see that also 70 degrees. So it passing through 4th quadrant and it going to and it stay in 1st quadrant. So 430 degree. 430 degree. Okay. So we can say easily this given angle positive. So it moving to anti-clockwise and therefore 430 degree angle lies on in 1st quadrant. 1st quadrant. I see. It's clear, all of my student. Clear it? Okay. Again we see that negative angle. Okay. Example 2. Example 2. In 1. Here given minus 520 degree. In which quadrant do these angles? So we calculate in this angle where is stay at in quadrant. Okay. Now we solve this. First we convert 90 degree n into pi by 2 plus minus theta. Okay. Let's go. 520 divided 90. That means 5.77. So we write 5 multiply 90 degree. Here angle minus, so we can use minus. So 5 into 90 degree. So minus 450 degree. But you see that here minus 520 degree. So also we need minus 70 degree. So it makes minus 520 degree. Okay. Now we convert to quadrant. So we see that this is starting point. Okay. Here we see that the negative value, given angle negative value. So it moving to clockwise or anti-clockwise. Since here we see that minus, so it moving to negative. Okay. 90 into 5. That means it moves 5 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you see that also minus 70 degree. So we need also minus 70 degree. Okay, so it passing through in 4th quadrant to in 3rd quadrant. So this is minus 520 degree. Okay, we say that therefore minus 520 degree lies on 1st, 2nd, 3rd in 3rd quadrant. 3rd quadrant. It's clear, lies on in, so this angle lies on in third quadrant. Okay, let's go next. We do the sum number 1, 8.1. Now we solve number 1. Okay, page number 172. Page number 172. Now we solve. Okay. Number 1. Express in radian. 75 degree 30 minutes. We convert to radian. Okay. We know 60 minute equal 1 degree. We know 60 minute equal 1 degree. Okay, so 75 degree 30 minute we convert to degree. First we convert 30 divided 60, so it will be degree. So this degree and this degree, so we add 75 plus 30 divided 60 degree. So this is convert to degree. Okay, then we can write 75 plus 30. 75 plus 30 divided 60. 75.5 degree. So this angles convert to already total degree. Now we convert to radian. We know 1 radian equal pi by 180 degree. We know 1 radian equal pi by 180 degree. So 75.5 degree we convert to radian. Sorry, 1 degree equals 75.5 pi by 180 radian. So degree to convert radian. So 1 degree equal pi by 180 radian. So 75.5 multiply pi divided 180. This is convert to radian. Okay. Here pi equal, we know 3.1416. Now using calculator and calculate this value. 75.5 multiply 3.1416 divided 180. So we get 1.3172 radian. Okay, this is clear. Next we solve 2 in 1. 2 in 1. Okay, express in degree 8 pi by 13 radian. 8 pi by 13 radian. Express in degree, so we convert to radian to degree. Okay, so we can write 8 pi by 13 multiply 180 by pi. Since 1 radian equal 180 by pi degree. So this cancel pi. So 8 into 180 divided 30. So it convert to already degree. So degree. So we now use calculator. We calculate this value. 8 multiply 180 divided 13. So we get, okay, Now we using calculator, we see that this is root button. Down position we see that this button. If we multiply 8 multiply 180 by 30 degree, we convert to 110, get 110.769238. So we get 110.769238. Okay, if we calculate this value, now we click this button. Okay, this button click, this value will be 110 degree, and here we see that 46 degree, but we write 46 minute, and another last 3 digit 9.23, this is minute, because we convert and we denote, this is degree, this is minute, this is second. So this is when we convert, this is denote degree, this is minute, and this is second. So we can write the degree to 110 degree, 46 minute, 9.23 second. So we write 9.23 second. This is our solution. Okay. Now we solve number 7. The joining Dhaka with Chittagong subtends angle of 5 degree at the center of the earth, taking the earth to be sphere of radius of 6440 km. Find the distance of Chittagong from Dhaka. So we find Dhaka to Chittagong distance. Okay. First we, number 7, first we draw, this is a circular region where this is diameter and this is center. So this is radius, we denote radius r. Let this position A and it is known as Dhaka. So it angle produce, this angle produce it at B, and this is Chittagong, CA, that means Chittagong. So it angle produce theta, we see that it produce theta angle. Where? Because this is a circular region. Okay, and AB, the distance of AB, that means Dhaka to Chittagong, this is arc, and we know this, we denote arc S. So we can write in this figure, we know S equal r theta. Okay, where r equal, given at 6440 km, the taking the earth of the sphere of radius, where r equal radius, so we get 6440 km, and angle theta equal 5 degree. See that this angle is 5 degree. Okay, now we convert to radian. So 5 multiply pi divided 180 radian. Okay, putting this value in this formula, we can get S equal r 6440 multiply theta, that means 5 multiply pi divided 180. Okay, where pi, what is the value of pi? Already you know, pi equal 3.1416. So we see that 3 pi value 3.1416. Now we calculate this value, 6440 multiply 5 multiply 3.1416 divided 180. So we get 561.997. So it's, we can write approximate 561, that means 562. What is the unit of arc? That means distance to Dhaka to Chittagong. So kilometer. Here radius kilometer. So we can write arc 562 kilometer. So distance Dhaka to Chittagong is 562 kilometer. So this is the correct answer. Okay, it is clear. Now we do the sum number 11. Okay, express in radian the angle between the minute hand and hour hand of a clock when it is 9.30 am. That is 9.30 am. First we draw a watch. Okay, this is a watch. Here 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, this is the watch. Okay, in a watch we see that a small point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every hour we see that 5 points. Here 5 point, here 5.5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we see that there are 60 points, small point in watch. So in a watch we see that we get 60 small point. In a watch we get 60 small point. We denote this is a hour hand. If we consider this point center O, so O is in our hand, and so O is our hand and OM minute hand. O is our hand. Okay, we consider O is our hand, minute hand. Here we see that angle 9.3 am. Okay, that means 9.3 am. Okay, in a watch we get 60 small point. If we consider this is circle, it produces 360 degree angles. Okay, for one small point we get 360 degree divided 60, that means only 60 degree. For one small point we get 60 degree. So in one small point it produces angle this 6 degree. Okay, for our hand we get how many points for our hand we get? Okay, for our hand we get, here is that 9.30 am. That means for 9 multiply 5 plus 30 point, the 30 minute. For 30 minute we get 30 minute. 1 hour we get 5 points, so 30 minute half hour. half point, that means 2.5 point. For 1 hour we get 5 points, so 30 minutes we get 2.5 minutes. So in our hands we get 9 multiplied 5 plus 2.5 at the point. This is point, okay. We get 45 plus 2.5, 47.5, 47.5 points, okay. For minute hand, we get, for minute hand that means 30 minutes, for hand 30 point. It's clear? For minute hand we get 30 minutes. Is it clear? Okay. Then so the difference between hour hand and minute hand, we get the difference 47.5 minus 30 point. Okay. 47.5 minus 30. So we get 17.5. 17.5 point. Okay. This is clear. Okay. Next we get, so this is difference, we get 17.5 points. So then we can write 17.5 multiply. This is 1 degree 6. Sorry, 1 small point for 6 degree we get. So this point we can write 17.5 multiply 6. So you convert to degree. Okay. So 17.5 multiply 6. So we get 105 degree. Okay. Then we get degree to radian, because theta, that means produce angle, always we convert to radian. So 105 multiply 180 divided by radian. Okay, 105. Where pi equal, we know 3.1416. 180 divided 3.1416. Sorry, we need to convert to radian. So we multiply pi divided 180, because we know 180. So 105 multiply pi. What is the value of pi? We know pi equal 3.1416. 105 multiply 3.1416 divided 180. So it will be 1.8326 radian. This is recorded answer. So when 9:30 am, the difference between hand hour and minute hour, this is hand hour, this is minute hour, 1.832 radian. Okay, is it clear? Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.